Our problem of the day says how many fingers are up on this hand, how many are down, how many in all. Let's go ahead and start by counting the fingers that are up. 1. So there is one finger that is up. Now it says how many are down. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 fingers in all. Let's take a look at our learning target. We can recognize parts of the number 8. Look at this problem. We are making 8. So this is going to be 8 balloons. We are going to go ahead and count these balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we found 5 blue balloons. Now let's count the green balloons. 1, 2, 3. We found 3 green balloons. So 5 and 3 are parts of 8. 5 and 3 are parts of 8. We're going to use this sentence frame as we're talking about our problems today. Our first problem here, directions say, write the numbers to show parts of 8. Let's count the blue balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's count the green balloons. 1. 7 and 1 are parts of 8. Say that with me. 7 and 1 are parts of 8. Let's do problem number 2. Our first step is to count the blue balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 blue. Let's count the green balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 green balloons. 4 and 4 are parts of 8. Say that with me. 4 and 4 are parts of 8. We have one more we're going to do. Number 3. Let's start by counting the blue balloons. 1, 2. Let's count the green balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 and 6 are parts of 8. Say that with me. 2 and 6 are parts of 8. 8 is the whole. Say that with me now. 8 is the whole. Let's say those two sentences together. Say it with me. 2 and 6 are parts of 8. 8 is the whole. Our worksheet today, here is the learning target. I can recognize parts of the number 8. Here it says write the numbers to show parts of 8. We have black cats to count. We have white cats to count. After you are done counting them, you count them one at a time. You'll write the numbers here. Now we are only writing the parts down for these first 3 problems because it says write the numbers to show the parts of 8. We already know the answer for each of these is 8. We're just writing down the parts of 8. Here it says write the parts and whole. So you would count the parts and then you would go back and count the whole. Okay. Here it says draw counters to find the missing part. So this is a little different. We know the whole is 8. We know one part is 2. You need to draw dots here until you get to 8. So I'm going to model that for you. So I have 1, 2 already. I'm going to keep counting until I get to 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the part that was missing was 6. Again, those directions said draw counters to find the missing part. So I drew counters to find the missing part. If you want, you could use your counter tool before you draw it. So you could place out 2 counters just like they have here in the picture, and then you could keep grabbing counters until you get to 8. Don't forget that you already have 2 to start. Good luck on your practice sheet.